Bienvenidos! Welcome to you all in this new lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn present continuous tense. Presente continua. Presente continua. Present continuous tense. We have learned present simple tense in our previous video, and now we are going to learn present continuous. Presente continua. Usage. When and why do we use presente continua? The present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are in progress at the moment of speeding. It's often used to talk about temporary or changing situations. There are two usages that are common. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are in progress at the moment of the speeding. Like these actions are temporary. It's often used to talk about temporary or changing situations. Now, as I told you, mostly verbs have AR, ER, or IR Indian verbs. It's the same. When it's talking about the present simple tense, the conjugation of verbs are different. Like with AR, it was like O asa amos ais an. And with ER, it was like O sa amos ais n. And it same goes with IR. But in present continuous tense, the conjugation of verbs is little different. When there is a verb, the conjugation of this verb will be ando in present continuous tense. Presente continuo. Ando. And when there is a er or ir verb conjugation, it's yendo. It's yendo. Ando and yendo. The sentence structure of present continuous is estar en el presente, estar in the present tense plus the gerund form of the main verb. Estar in the present tense, the conjugation of estar verb in the present tense plus the gerund form of the main verb or fourth form of main verb. Conjugation of estar in present simple tense in Spanish. Presente del indicativo. Yo estoy, tú estás, él, ella, usted está, nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis, ellos, ellas, ustedes están. Now you have to use this conjugation according to its pronoun of estar. Now the sentence structure. Estar plus verb conjugation of present continuous or presente continua. The conjugation of estar, estoy, means I am. Hablando. The verb hablar ends with hablar, and as I told you, when it's a verbs, you just have to write ando, ando. So here it is. Estoy hablando. I am talking. Estamos jugando. We are playing. Están yendo. They are going. Yendo is a conjugation of aya verb like aya, that means go, ir. Yendo is a conjugation of ir in present continuous, means to go. Están yendo, they are going. Estás leyendo, you are reading. Estoy corriendo, I am running. Está comprando, he is buying. Same, some of the verbs are regular and some of the verbs are irregular. You have to memorize irregular verbs. For regular verbs, as I've told you, the conjugation of AR, ER, and IR. That is okay for regular verbs. But for irregular verbs, you have to memorize them. Like here, it is leyendo, means reading. Leyendo is a conjugation of leer, that means to read. Estoy haciendo. Estoy haciendo. I am doing. Estás lavando. You are washing. Están abriendo. They are opening. Now, here are few sentences in the presente continua, present continuous. So we will practice the sentence structure of present continuous. Estoy saltando en el parque. Estoy saltando. It means I am jumping. En el parque. In the park. Ella está escribiendo un libro. Ella está escribiendo un libro. Here you read estoy, not yo estoy. Because in Spanish, verb conjugation with every the verb conjugation with every verb is different with its pronoun. Because if it's your pronoun, the verb conjugation will be different. If it you pronoun, the verb conjugation will be different. So it is understood if you're not specific writing the pronoun itself. You just can't write the conjugation of the verb pronoun. Ella está escribiendo un libro. She is writing a book. Ella means she. Está escribiendo. It means is writing. Un libro, a book. Estás queriendo un helado. Un helado means an ice cream. Estás queriendo, you want. You can also write it here. Tú estás queriendo un helado. But you also can write estás queriendo un helado. It both are the same sentence. You want an ice cream. Estoy leyendo un artículo interesante. Estoy leyendo un artículo interesante. I am reading an important article. Estoy haciendo mi tarea. I am doing my homework. Estoy comprando regalos para mis amigos. I am reading an important, the translation of this sentence will be like, estoy comprando regalos para mis amigos. I am buying gifts for my friends. Estoy comprando, it means I am buying. Regalos means gift. I am buying gift para mis amigos. It means for my friends. I am buying gift for my friends. Estoy comprando regalos para mis amigos. Estamos comiendo pizza para almuerzo. Estamos comiendo pizza para almuerzos. We are eating pizza for lunch. Estás pagando la renta. Estás pagando la cuenta. You are paying the bill. Ella está limpiando la casa. Ella está limpiando la casa. She is cleaning the house. Él está corriendo en el maratón. Él está corriendo en el maratón. He is running in the marathon. Estamos estudiando para el examen. Estamos estudiando para el examen. We are studying for the exam. Estoy yendo al aeropuerto. I am going to the airport. Estoy haciendo una llamada. Estoy haciendo una llamada. I am making a call. Una llamada means a call. Estoy haciendo. I am making. Ella está limpiando el baño. Ella está limpiando el baño. She is cleaning the bathroom. Estoy comprando un regalo. Estoy comprando un regalo. I am buying a gift. Ellos están corriendo en la playa. Ellos están corriendo en la playa. They are running in the beach. En la playa means in the beach. Ellos están corriendo. They are running. If you are writing están corriendo en la playa, it also means they are running in the beach. If you are writing ellos están corriendo en la playa, it also means they are running in the beach. Felicidades! Congratulations! In this lesson, you have learned present continuous tense in Spanish. Presente continuo. Hope you understood it. Felicidades! Congratulations! Practice it as much as you can. Felicidades!